everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some deviled eggs, some good old southern style deviled eggs. They're a little bit different than what I grew up on. You know, over the years things have changed with deviled eggs. A lot of people start adding a lot of different things to them. So I tried that throughout the years and it seems to work, but I grew up on like Mama used to make just regular old deviled eggs with just mayonnaise, mustard, salt, pepper. Sometimes she'd put a little bit of onion powder in them, but we're going to switch it up a little bit, and I hope you all enjoy these, so let's go ahead and get started. I have 6 boiled eggs. I boiled them, hard-boiled them for 9 minutes. As soon as that water came to a boil, time them for 9 minutes. You get perfect eggs every time. Let them cool. It's very important to let your eggs cool. At least 12 to 15 minutes, and they'll peel. They come out perfect. A lot of people have problems peeling their eggs, but make sure they're not real fresh, because they'll give you a little bit of problem. That's the problem with a lot of the eggs, when people have problems with it, and that's part of the reason why. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take our eggs. These are cooled down. I'm just going to cut them in half. I know a lot of us know how to do this already, but a lot of us folks don't. And I'm just going to remove that middle yolk there. That should just pop right out for you. And I'll continue to do the rest of these 5. And on each time you cut your egg, see how that yolk gets on your knife? Go ahead and wipe that if you want, because you don't want all that yolk around the outside. If you want them nice and pretty for a special occasion. But if it don't matter to you, hey, but I wipe on each egg I slice. I'll wipe it off on a piece of paper towel or napkin or something. Alrighty, I have, excuse my voice, my allergies are like really bad right now, and I apologize for that. Now I got all the egg yolks in here, and I'm just gonna mash them all up really good. Get them all mashed up. But I'll continue to do this. Alrighty. I got those egg yolks all smashed up really well. Now to that, here I have 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise of your choice. I have 1 teaspoon of mustard and 2 teaspoons of sweet pickle relish. And we'll just add that in there, right into those eggs. Deviled eggs are so good and so easy, and most of the things we have on hand. And I am uploading this early for y'all because I know we're all going to be busy on probably Saturday and Sunday, so this is good for your Easter table or for whatever. We all look for, I know deviled eggs is popular, and I've had a few people ask me that already if I was going to be making any. So go ahead and try them out, guys. They are good. And here I have 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Just 1/8 of a teaspoon. Just a little bit. And we're going to do just a little bit of black pepper. And just a little bit of salt. A couple shakes of salt. And we'll get this mixed up. People make these, like I said, so many different ways. Now I like to stir this up. Get it nice and creamy. I'll probably sit here and do this a good 30 seconds or so. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is take probably about a teaspoon, but just make sure you don't go overboard because you want to make sure you have enough of this filling. And now you can definitely pipe this in if you want and get fancy with it. But I like to garnish mine with paprika, parsley. You can put some bacon bits on it. I love them like that. So if you pipe it, you're covering it all up anyways. So I'd rather just go the way they've always been done. Just dollop it right in there. And I'll continue to fill these. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, my friends. There they are. Now, I put some paprika, regular paprika. You can, if you want that smoky flavor, you can use smoked paprika on them a little bit. Or you could use cayenne pepper. I put a little bit of dried parsley flakes on them. A little bit of bacon bits. Now, if you don't want none of that on your egg, you can leave it off. You can top it with maybe a diced, or the little, what are they, the salad olives, these little slices of olives. There's so many things you can do with these eggs, but they're just pretty. They're pretty, and I hope you guys will make you up some, and won't be doing any uploads on Easter, so you guys have a safe, blessed Easter, and we will, oh, well, no, I got to taste an egg with you guys. I know they're good. I make them all the time. Let me bring this up so you can see it. See there? They are good. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Delicious. That bacon just gives them a yummy, yummy flavor. But you guys try some up and let me know what you think. And you guys have a wonderful, blessed Easter, as I already mentioned, but I'm going to say it again. And you guys definitely stay safe and blessed. We will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.